Here's how to lace Converse Low Tops in a standard style, just like they come fresh out of the box. Begin by taking your lace and threading each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets, making sure to go into them from above, just like I'm doing here. Pull that all the way through. Then just make sure both lace ends are of equal length and take a second to adjust them there. Remember, you can play this video on half speed or you can pause it as often as you like. There's absolutely no rush, and just go as slowly as you'd like. Once you have them both threaded into the very bottom eyelets, we're going to pop this one out of the way, take a hold of this one. We're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the second eyelet up from the bottom on this side, from above, just like that. Great, pop that one out of the way, swap to the other one. We're going to do the exact same with the other one, pop it down into the eyelet from above, and pull it all the way through, making sure there's no twists or turns in your laces. Pull it like that. Then we're going to keep a hold of this one still, take it over the sneaker tongue again and into the next available eyelet from above, just like this. And swap back to the other one, do the exact same on the other side. Now your Converse might have more or less eyelets than mine, but the pattern remains the exact same. It doesn't matter how many eyelets you have, just keep going. Again, keep a hold of this one. Take it into the next available eyelet on this side from above, pull it through, doing great. Swap back to the other one, do the exact same. Now if you like, you can feed your laces through the tongue loop. I'm not going to, because fresh out of the box Converse don't come laced like that, and I'm doing the standard style here. So keep a hold of this one, bring it over, down into the next eyelet, pull it through, making sure there's no twists and the pattern's looking good. Swap back to the other one and do the exact same. Then, just like we've been doing, keep a hold of this one and bring it down into the final eyelet. Pull it through. Do the same on the other side. And now I'm going to show you what to do with the bow. You can go ahead and do a standard lacing bow here and it will look fine. Like so. Or what I like to do for a little bit of a fresher look is lace it kind of loosely and then slip it underneath the sneaker tongue for a really fresh look. So just make sure to do that when your foot's inside the shoe, and you can wear them without the laces showing, which I think looks really cool. Repeat on the other shoe and you'll have an awesome pair of standard lace Converse. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button to help it reach more people. Thanks guys!